The saying that finding the right person will make you a princess sounds romantic, but let's face it, there's more to the story. If love alone were the key to transforming someone into a fairy tale character, then surely all the single women or those in unfulfilling relationships would be relegated to lives of servitude. The truth is, while love can enhance your happiness, it is not a VIP pass that magically turns you into a storybook figure. If you approach love with the notion that simply finding the right partner will automatically render your life a flawless cinematic experience, you might find yourself disillusioned. Even in a seemingly perfect relationship, there will be moments of discord, debates over what to eat, who washes the dishes, or the inevitable forgetting of anniversaries. Moreover, waiting for someone else to come along and elevate you to a princess status can make you overlook a significant truth. You have the power to be the queen of your own life without needing anyone to bestow that title upon you. Instead of searching for a prince to lift you up, focus on living joyfully, nurturing self-love, and crafting your own happiness. When you shine with your own brilliance, if the right person enters your life, they won't need to transform you. You will already be a radiant individual in your own right. Embrace the journey of becoming the best version of yourself because true fulfillment originates from within.